Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So in my previous video I did mention that the market can see an upside till the resistance where it has previously stalled. So 10,200 kind of odd level we are expecting that the market can face resistance at that particular point. So if you see today the market went on to on high side, but you can just observe it and see that the previous candles which has been holding the upside of the market has still been acting as a resistance. So though the market has been able to end up in green side, but it has not yet broken above the previous time frames resistance. So what are the things that we need to analyze? What are the levels which we should be expecting, and what will be the ultimate move? All those things we are going to analyze in today's video. So let us start with our analysis with the option activity range. So 10,000 to 11,000 is the broad option activity range for the market, and if you analyze the option chart data, we'll start with the call data first. What I can see is a good sort of fresh bullish position has been created right from 10,200 to 11,000 kind of level, which is suggesting that the market has a tendency to go on high side. Further, if you see the put data, a good amount of put writing is also suggesting that good sort of support at a lower level, and on a upside a put long is getting covered. So the market participants are covering a put on a higher side, writing put on a lower side, indicating a support at a lower level, buying a calls on a high side, suggesting that the market has is got to go on a high side only. So that was the analysis of option chart data, and it is suggesting that the market has to go on a high side. So though the but what I think is, when you do the multi-concept analysis, the important thing that comes to your mind is what you can do is you can also analyze the various important resistance using the simple visual kind of formation. So if you see the market has been trading in a channel, has been trading on a lower side, and now if you see it is also trading on a upside of a channel, higher side of a channel. But if you see, though the market has been has generated a good sort of green move, but if you see the CCI is still trading below below the exponential moving average, and if you see broadly, this is also the level which happens to pull the market down whenever this kind of levels are met. So if you see the CCI is trading near the resistance zone. MACD, if you see, has also been halted twice on this particular level, at which particular level it is trading right now. CCI, sorry, RSI is also trading near this kind of level. However, if you see, the longer term time frame is generating a bullishness, but sort of resistance is on a high side. So if I broadly analyze the data, though there has been a good sort of buying that has happened today, the option chart data is also suggesting a good move. I will not go long, and I have not gone long for the two particular reason. First is the market has not been able to close above the previous candle's resistance, which has acted as a solid resistance for the market in the past. Apart from that, if you see, the technical indicators are also trading below the exponential averages. So I will wait for the market to break those exponential averages, and if I am to guess a market direction from here, it has been trading as the resistance level. It has not been able to close the previous candle's high. It is also trading on a higher side of the channel formation, which it has been making lower highs and lower lows. So I feel that the market should go down from here. Sort of upside can also come, and if that comes, I will definitely try and go long after analyzing the option chart data. But as of now, I feel that the I should not go long, and rather I am expecting a down move from here. So that was my expectation and analysis, and I also shared you the rationale why I feel that the market should not go up much from here, rather it can come down. So let us see what happens. But since the exponential averages has not broken from the previous resistance zone, I have not gone long basically. So that was my analysis for the Nifty. Now let us quickly find out what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So if you analyze the data for the Bank Nifty, the option activity range, which is suggesting near 23,500 to 25,000. So risk reward is also equally spread. But if you see, again the market has not been able to uh, uh, close above the previous day's resistance. So that is also something that is suggesting that there has been a kind of selling on a higher side. But if you analyze the option data, you can see that there has been a good sort of fresh buying that has happened today near 23,500 to 24,500 level, but 24,500 level has seen again a call writing. So though the market participants are expecting an up move, but 24,500 is still seen as a resistance as of now. So clear cut suggestion is coming up because the call writing has happened in spite of generating a good amount of bullish position near the lower level. Put writing on the other side is suggesting that the market has a good support near the lower level. So broadly what I feel is market can go down till 24,000 level. So I have also mentioned in my previous video, and if you have seen that market did test today 24,000 level today, but came up and finally was able to close above it 8 days exponential moving average. Though it is suggesting a candle formation is suggesting a rejection of a prices near the lower level, but the resistance which has formed by the previous candles is very strong, and I feel that market may face some sort of resistance at a high level. Apart from that, like the Nifty, you can also see still the technical indicators are not able to trade above the exponential averages, and that is what I feel that market can go up, but it should face resistance at a high level and finally come down. So that is what my analysis is for the Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Bank Nifty has a good support near the 24,000 level. If it breaks and closes below that, I think we can go short on the Bank Nifty. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you want to learn about my system, you can check the video description. You will find every detail every about the system that I use to generate a buy and sell signal. Apart from that, you can join my WhatsApp broadcast and my Telegram channel, which is absolutely free. If you have any doubt, comment, question or query, you can always mention it in the comment section of the video. Thank you for watching.